Hello friends, this is ER Patel Parth and welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to learn this loft boss base command, and in which we will make this beautiful part. It's called the Kulhadi. Okay, we can make this part with the help of the loft command. For operating the loft command, we have to follow some special procedure. For operating this command, we have to make the two sketch. The first sketch is at here at the top side. Then the second sketch is bottom side. Then also we have to make the kinds of two kinds of the path, like this one path and this path. Okay, I will make for you, then you can understand in very well manner. So first I'm going to draw part, and okay, the first two sketch. Okay, select the any plane. I select the front plane and sketch view. Okay, so I just first draw smart dimension. With the help of the smart dimension, you can change the dimension at here. If you want to learn this all the command, you should watch my first video in SolidWorks tutorial. Reduce this. Then we have to make also the another sketch with parallel of this sketch. Okay, so here the front plane is here. So drawing the another sketch, I have to make the another plane the bottom of this front plane. So I have to select the another plane. Okay, so go for the feature, reference geometry, select the plane. Okay, you can see the one plane is at here. Okay, so different kinds of the options are available at here. Here you have to ensure about the fully defined. Then okay, I select the new plan and the sketch view. Here we have to make also the another sketch for operating the loft command. Okay, are the two sketches ready? Then I told you we have to make the two path at here. So we have to ensure about the path is in the center of this line, and also it is attached to the center of this line. So you can see it here, the top line is in the between of these two lines. So I'm going to select this top line. Okay, and I will make the two paths over here. The first path, then the second path, you double click on it and then you can adjust these things like this. So it's look and the perfect in manner. So okay, then the two sketch and the two path is ready. So we have to go for the loft command. Okay. This is the profile, means this two sketch, and this is the guide curve, means this two path, or the you can also guide curve. You can say that the first sketch is selected at here, and another sketch. It's taken by default. Okay. When you select the guide curve, so the time you can watch what kinds of the shape it takes at here to get this beautiful. Then this one. Okay, how it's look like amazing things. Okay. It's look and the amazing Kulhadi at here. I hide this so you can see the better. You can see the thickness of at the bottom side is too much higher. In the original Kuhadi you cannot see that this kind of the thickness. So I reduce this thickness by the extrude. Okay, first I draw the one rectangle at here. I'm going to select the corner rectangle from this corner to this end. Okay. Then we are going to operate the extrude boss command, in which I'm going to show how to use this draft. Okay. Here you can see the 14-degree draft is ready, so you can watch it how the sharp it look like. Okay, so then it become a perfect. Okay. Or the bottom side is in the sharp manner. So our the Kulhadi and our the purpose of the loft command is ready, but I will show that this also. Okay, we will make it this also at the above side. Click the this face, right click, then normal, again right click on the sketch view, center, smart dimension here 90, then OK, select the extrude boss. Not the 10 is perfect at here. 50 is ready for it. Then fillet is an also beautiful command. Okay, so fillet is ready. Then we do this hole at here with the help of the extrude cut command. I'm going to select the right plane at here. 15 mm radius circle, then extrude cut is in the middle of this circle. We draw the sketch at the middle of these things, so we have to choose the two directional, okay, the direction 1 and direction 2, so it cut in the both side. Then here you have to select the through all, means it cut the material through the material. Then also this side through all material, so you can see how the material is removed at here. And not done at here means I'm gonna to reduce the length of this boss. Okay. First I'm gonna to improve the height of this thing so it look well. Okay. Then 30. Okay, it's become perfect. Not yet the length of this things is reduced and the 200 mm, so 180. 170 is the perfect for it. Okay, you can change the also any kinds of the things at here. Okay, whenever you feel it's not good, then at the last we confer the appearance at here. Okay, from here you can isometric view. Okay, so look beautiful. So thank you so much. Please share and subscribe my channel.